The front squat not only challenges the legs, but also demands great core strength and stability, making it a staple exercise for multiple sports. To perform a front squat, you must first create a good front rack for the bar. A good front rack has 5 points of contact: your hand, your shoulder, your neck, your other shoulder, and your other hand. Ideally, you should hold the bar in a full grip, but if lacking the mobility at first, you can start with only fingertips on the bar. As you can see, this creates a nice platform in front of the body for the bar to sit on. With a good front rack, now take a deep belly breath to stabilize the core and take the bar out of the rig. Take another deep belly breath and perform a squat. All the same points of performance for the squat are applicable to the front squat. The most important part now is to stay balanced across the middle of your foot, which means the bar should stay right above your foot the entire duration of the lift. Take a new deep belly breath before each lift until your set is complete.